These announcements continue something I want to be very, very clear about. GM is absolutely committed to investing in and growing good-paying manufacturing jobs in the United States, jobs that strengthen us today and will improve our position for the future. Both of our announcements today reaffirm that commitment, our commitment to bring more manufacturing jobs and investment to the U.S., and our commitment to furthering our investments in new technology and an all-electric future. So I am incredibly pleased to announce this morning that General Motors will be investing $300 million and adding 400 new jobs to this facility to produce an all-new Chevrolet electric vehicle.